Hi, this is Angel Ho, the director of Atlas English, and today is last rule number 7. And rule number 7 is very powerful, and it helps you to speak quickly and to understand instantly, automatically, immediately. This is true fluency, true automatic speaking. So, what is the rule number 7? Rule number 7, the last rule, is to use listen and answer mini story. What are these mini story? Listen and answer, and why are they powerful? Well, first, remember in the past, when you went to English school, and in school you probably learned with a lot of listen and repeat. For example, the teacher said, repeat after me, class. Hi, how are you? And the class together, everybody said, hi, how are you? Then the teacher said, I'm fine, and you? Then all of the class together said, I'm fine, and you? This is listen and repeat. It's an old way to learn English, but it's not powerful when you listen and repeat. You don't need to think in English. You don't need to think. You just repeat what the teacher said. Maybe you don't understand, but still you repeat. It's an old way, don't you it? Much more powerful is listen and answer, especially listen and answer mini stories. These are best kind of stories where the teacher asks a story. Now I do not say tell a story, I say ask a story. The teacher asks a lot of very simple and easy questions. Why? Well, because the student must answer questions constantly, answering, hearing a question, hearing a question, answering, hearing a question, answering, hearing a question, answering. This is like real conversation. When you use this listen and answer story to teach yourself to understand quickly and to respond quickly, to repeat very quickly and automatically, no thinking. That's why these are powerful. You learn to think, you learn to think in English, and you learn to speak quickly without thinking, without translating. Now, I will give you a very easy and simple example of a question and answer mini story. Just a couple of sentences. You know, uh, um, funny story of kids. Yes. Um, a couple of sentences. Carlos buying a new car. It's very expensive car. It's a huge blue fat car, and in the old method the teacher would say repeat after me, and the teacher said, Carlos buy new car. It's, it's a very expensive car. It's a huge blue fast car. And then the student repeats the story. Carlos bought buy a new car. It's a expensive car. It's a huge blue fast car. No. In listen and answer story, the teacher asks the question, and the teacher asks a lot of questions, very easy questions. We use easy question because we don't want you to think. If I ask a difficult question, then you might stop and think. But if the question is very easy, you can shout an answer one word, two words. Okay, for example, I would say laugh. Carlos bought a new car. Was there a new car? And and you shout this, this, and I said, Carlos bought a new car or old car, and you immediate, immediately, instantly shout, new car, and I say, uh, is, uh, is this big car? And you, you shout, yes, yes, big car. And then I continue more questions, and because you are constantly answering questions, you learn to think in English. You learn to respond and answer very quickly in English. They are very powerful. Now, of course, this example is very simple, super simple. In my real mini story lesson, it's more difficult and much more interesting, and there are not more questions. And when you use this mini story lesson, you will learn to speak so much faster, so much more easily and automatically. This is very powerful. So your rule number 7, absolutely very important. Use listen and ask mini story. Super important. Always do this. And of course, you can find a native speaker to make this mini story for you. Tell them this Giselle, and then they will understand how to do it. Or you can get my lesson. And in fact, that is your next step because now you finished the rule of excellent English. Congratulations! Now you need to use them and you must use all of them so that you will learn much more quickly, so that you will understand English very quickly, and so that you will speak English easily, quickly, and automatically. You can start right now, today. I hope you will take action, start learning English correctly, start speaking English easily, quickly, and automatically. I look forward to having you as my student, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.